Ryan is taking forever. She's like falling asleep in the windowsill. This is everything that we're bringing, including those. Look at this, yes. And once again, Ryan is not ready. You're getting there. What even is that? There's just like
3 dinosaur feet.
Giant dinosaur feet. Yes, you get accurate. Did you get my lipstick?
No, I don't know if it's in there.
I don't know if it's in there. It might be at work. Just got Uncommon. You got the same thing, right? But we came to Parkside to drink their coffee and watch them struggle. Okay, so I have my thermos and it's really cold and I've got my camera and my clothes and I'm not going to go freeze in this photo shoot. So we just walked outside and it's absolutely freezing and I'm going to freeze. I don't want to do this, but I have to do this. So we're in our first location. They're warming up. I approve of this because it's not freezing. It is a little dark though. A little bland. Okay, so first photo shoot destination done. Not successful. So I'm now going to fall on my ass while walking across this terrain of ice. It's just all ice.
Thank you. Alright, see if I let me sneak through.
That's where we're supposed to be going.
Not going there, it's not even plowed.
Try the other one to get in. Oh, the geyser that we wanted to go to is closed. Probably frozen over. And we tried multiple ways to get in, but the only way to get in is to walk. And someone doesn't want to do that. So we're going to go somewhere else now and freeze. So actually going to freeze this time. Okay, so I'm freezing and going back to the car because I can't do this. I'm going to fall on the freaking ice again. I hate New York.
On your ass.
Just to let you know, in case you don't know what the actual temperature is, it says that it's 12, but feels like -4. Just to give you an idea of what I'm doing right now. So, yeah. So we just found out that there's a huge blizzard coming and it's getting really, really dark outside. So I think we're gonna call the photo shoot a wraps. Got a few good pictures and some logo stuff that I'm working on, so that's good. And then we'll go out next week and finish it, the more themey ones. But yeah. Okay. So I wasn't really gonna film today, but I just thought that I would show everyone what we're currently doing. You probably can't even see the snow. It's just too white out here. But yeah, so I have to close down the store and then I have to get my car out of here, which is not going to happen because my car does not work like that. My tires are bad. I have to get new tires. So, okay, good stuff.